Hello guys, in this video guys, I will be showing you or sharing with you another good exercise that could help, that would give us good benefits, and this is called frog yoga or frog pose yoga. I will put in the description below the health benefits or the benefits or the advantage of frog pose. I will only be doing this guys for only 3 minutes. So I'm gonna set the timer for 3 minutes. Timer. Yeah, I am setting this for only 3 minutes. Frog yoga or frog pose yoga. And I can rotate to another position because para hindi ka masyadong nasapan or mangangalay. So, and you can start it guys by just counting as small counts like 10 counts. If you are just a beginner, but me, I used to do exercise, so I will be doing this for 3 minutes. So I will start now. First position is like this. You know a frog would, you see the frog is like this. It's a frog position. For only 3 minutes, frog pose position or frog pose yoga. I'll start now. And 3, 2, 1. So 3 minutes, frog pose or frog pose yoga or frog pose exercise. And you see the frog look like this. Kukak, kukak, kukak. Oh my goodness. So this is so easy, but when you have to start doing it, you will feel in your inner legs something stretch, and in your back we will feel like relaxed. And yeah, I will put in the description below guys, so just check it out, the description, and you will know the health benefits of this pose. So it's so easy. So I will rotate. See? Hirap pa mga tingala guys. Nasa samid. Rotate again. Like a frog. Kukak! Kukak! Nakakukak guys. And rotate. This is a frog pose. Again. And again. Last. "42 seconds left." So easy guys, but try it so you will know if it is really easy. Try to do the frog pose yoga. Once again guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the red button for subscribe and ring the bell for notifications para updated ka sa mga videos na upload ko. I almost upload every single day guys. So it's now done, the 3 minutes. I'll see you guys on my next vlog.